the first set of bags we did right here. But I had to change the front because the A was not doing good. It just kept messing up, and I kept messing up vinyl, so we changed the front to the front that I just cut out. Now, I was trying to show y'all the cut that I already did, but we still got to seal them, and I'm going to show y'all a video of me seal them, but here they go. And then on the front, they all personalized. This is hers, so it say, I said yes, and then his, say I asked. And then all the guesses that's coming had their personal name on it, their first name on it, with the same writing. So all we have to do now is seal them. And I'm going to show y'all when we go seal them because I already did them. I've been doing different things for the wedding for, I guess, since March. So I just wanted to bring y'all on because we about to go on vacation. And yes, I am bringing y'all to Autigua with me. So be ready for all those footages, baby. But let's get back to these bags. So this is going on the bags. And I'm going to show y'all the bags in a few. Once I get this started. I got the longer, the 12 by 24 mat. I had a pack of 3 off Amazon because I had a whole lot of shirts and everything to make, so I had to get a bigger vinyl mat. Alright, money game.
Okay, so I got
now.
Oh shoot.
Alright, that's fine. So alright, now money game. What we about to do now is try something totally different. Never tried this, so we all gonna learn to see if this work out together. So we're trying, like I said, we're gonna seal the cups that I already made. And as you can see, I did try to go ahead and seal them with some spray, the sealing spray. That did not work out right. It still feel like it comes off to me a little bit. So we're gonna try to seal it with something up, with some acrylic. So I was trying to do with the Mod Podge sealer, and then I tried to go with this, and it didn't work. It made it all cloudy, which I don't mind. That's fine, because I like the effect of it. But now I'm going to go over with some polyacrylic to seal it. And this is my first time using it, so let's get into it. And I have my glove to see if spraying it with the glove will work better or the brush. So like I said, we never did this before, so let's learn. Oh, I should have read y'all the directions. I read them off camera. Let me see if I can read them to y'all. So they said, prep it first, you gotta sand it down. And I already sand them down. Then they say stir well. Then apply thin coat with higher quality brush. I don't know how high quality these brushes is, but sure. I ain't had them for a minute. I never used them. I had we did what we do?
Painting?
Yeah, we did a paint party.
Oh, yeah,
For my sister-in-law birthday, and I ain't never used them. And y'all know we don't throw stuff away, we just put it up. So I guess it's a high quality brush. Then they say, anyways, after 2 hours, sand lightly and reapply thin coat. Repeat for best durability. Then they said wait 3 hours before light use and 24 hours before normal use. So they didn't say how long to stir, but I guess it's good. But yes, anyways, back to my Stranger Things. Y'all about to get some music. So y'all, I decided to go ahead and just do it with the brush, because if you don't have fitted gloves, and it ain't gonna work good with gloves. It was just a highly complete mess. So I just started doing brush strokes up and down with the acrylic. Now I'm not going back and forth with it. I am going in one direction straight down. So I'm doing up to down, all around. Now the instructions do say to leave it for 2 hours before sanding it again. And I did 3 different layers of it. Just for y'all to know, I'm going to right here with this little line at all the way down to this line. So I'm not doing the full cup. This is how it's looking so far. I'm so excited. Alright, so while this is turning, I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones. And then I'll be back and we're going to get ready to do another project. Start another project. So all of them now do have their first coat on them. And they said wait 2 hours. So we're going to let this sit for 2 hours. And then we're going to sand them again. And to use them for sanding, I'm going to use a little buffer sand. And I may show me sanding one. And y'all don't buffer my pools down. Because I was getting impatient waiting on the cup holders. Because the ones that came with the machine was too big for these cups that I actually have. So I went to the dollar store and I bought one of these. And I cut it. It's just a pool tube. And it fits fine. It's just, you just want to make sure it stay level. But for some reason, they just coming off. But alright, y'all, let's go to the next subject. Alright, y'all, so here go the next project. So what we're doing here is we're going to make some fans. This is the template that I got. I did redo it. Now I got the template like this because she wanted the welcome ceremony and the writing like this. So I just went on and bought a template off of Etsy, and I'll leave the link in the description as always. This is our first time doing this, so let's see how this work out, y'all. We thought we had filmed us making these doggone fans, and once I started going through all the footage, I did not have no footage of me actually making these, and I had to remake these anyway, because as you can see, I had an equal sign instead of a dash for the top, so I had to remake these over anyway, and I'm going to show y'all the remade ones at the end of the video when we packing the bags at the end. So we're going to be giving them some napkins with their initials on it, S and G. And this is actually from their engagement parties. We had a lot of them, so we thought it would be real cute to put them in their gift packages as well. Of course, we're going to keep them stacked with the hand sanitizer. They got different ones. Because COVID is still around. So don't play with them. We got the black for the men, you know. Man, we looked out for y'all. We looked out. We won't go glitter y'all up. We won't go glitter y'all. Then we're giving them some whites. And then these is their itineraries for what they're going to be doing over there. Then we're going to put everything in their travel bags. Now we thought these was real cute. We found these at Gabe's, and we thought they was cute, so we bought them. Hers is white with a little lace on it and pearls. I ain't mad, pearls on it. Uh-oh. And then the ladies have Teen Bride, and then they have pajamas to go with them. Of course, y'all know we just put the vinyl on the pajamas. And we got the pajamas from Target. And then we got the fans. These are program fans. She about to get mad, but drop it in the comments, y'all. She want to put these in the travel bags now. I said no. She said yes. Put it in the comments, y'all, if y'all feel like we should put them in the travel bags now, or we should wait and give them to them at the wedding so they can fan themselves. But they was cute, and they was made by yours truly as well. And then we got the cups. So we wanted to show y'all everything. Alright, so y'all back. We did 14 bags. I'm not going to show y'all we doing all of them. I am doing her bag now, and then I'm going to show y'all me doing a male bag, and then I'm going to do my bag, of course, for y'all, so y'all can see everything in here. Now, there are a couple of things that y'all do not see that are going to go in the bags, and they are snacks. So my sister is on the way with snacks and like some bubble gum, chips, candy, and so forth, and we put them in the bags as well. It was a nice little travel gift bag. It's a travel gift bag so they can have a little beach bag while they're there visiting at the resort, and little snacks on the plane, going to the plane. And because it is COVID, we figured they'll want their own cup, so they don't have to worry about touching anybody's cups or anything or glasses, and they had their hand sanitizer and their wipes, and it was easy to go in their bags. And for the woman, what happened with the woman was we was going shopping at Gays one day, and we seen those slippers, and my sister and I was just like, they are so cute. Well, I was like, they was cute, and I was like, sister, get them because they are so cute, you know what I'm saying? And then it went crazy, and then we ended up with the pajamas. The pajamas and the slippers was some extra for the females. It was originally just supposed to be for the matron of honor, and it just went ballistic. Thanks to me and my stupid, crazy ideas. But overall, this was fun. And y'all see her. She ain't moved that one bit yet. Sitting over there on the phone. How you come up here and supposed to be helping, bagging up your wedding gifts, your wedding bags, and you on the phone? Thomas, son, you still got to work on the playlist. Like, this is the stuff I got to deal with, Money Gang. Believe me, when you deal with family, this is what you get sometimes. But I'm so excited for my baby and her fiance, and we are heading to Autigua, people. Y'all, I'm gonna just make my own Hold on. We gotta make sure that look, y'all, I'm gonna just make my own bag to show y'all because I don't know what's going on with these attitudes. These people is crazy. This supposed to be a joyful moment, and they messing it up.
You still recording?
Yeah, make sure.
Oh, cool. So back up.
No! You gotta make sure.
We're not gonna do this. This is what we're not gonna do because I don't have time for it. Okay?
Oh, it's good.
We got too many things going on right now. She asking me to do too much. So we're not doing this today, okay? We're not doing this today. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna show y'all these bags. I'm gonna do what she asked me to do, and we ain't gonna do all these unnecessary. Okay? She gonna make her own bag.
Oh, come on then. Oh, now you still doing that? Hold on.
Go ahead.
Alright. Bye, y'all. Cause we going back to our music. Alright, so Money Gang, I'm gonna go ahead in this video on that note. If y'all was wondering where I did the itineraries at, I did that on Canva. If you want a full video on how I design on Canva, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than welcome to get a video. Everything else will be listed in the description box as always, because you know I'm going to hook you up. This was also her bachelorette weekend, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video showing y'all some clips of what we did over the weekend. And we head to Autigua, y'all. It's that time.
you got it back and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting in you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never catch you, know it need a modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Pretty look, 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 take it back, pretty look, pretty look, pretty look, pretty look, then you got it back and now you wildin'. Pretty look, 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 take it back, pretty look, pretty look, pretty look, pretty look.
Happy wedding day. I love you so much and I couldn't be happier for you.
Shot queen, so y'all know what type of lover she on.
Congratulations. I'm happy for y'all. I don't like talking to second.
Hey, Sigourney. Just want to say congratulations. So happy for you. You deserve it. Mwah. Alright, congratulations to you guys. You have been together for a very long time. I have seen you and Najee definitely grow within each other and build each other. And I'm super excited for you guys. And I wish nothing but the best for you guys. Congratulations! Siggy, Sig in the city, Wall Street. I wish you nothing but the best, you and Najee. Nothing but the best wishes, years of love and prosperity, growth, and loyalty. Anyway,
congratulations, guys, on your wedding. I'm so happy for you all. Sorry I couldn't make it this year, but I'll be there when you guys renew your vows in 10 years. Congratulations. Love you. Mwah. Girl, I don't know, but they gonna renew their vows. No, Tiffany going, so she don't gotta do it.
These are the two sisters. You do gotta do it. Period. These are the Siggy sisters.
I had to do it and I'm home.
Duh.
Yeah, bitch. So go talk.
She put me first in that.
No, ain't no rules. Go ahead, so I can tell you what you say.
Making up shit as you go.
I do. Come on.
Come on here, Chad.
Make your video, girl.
See you.
Congratulations.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
I see
you
y'all.
know we're trying ass people. We're gonna be shaking ass, getting drunk,
Period.
all that good shit. I don't do none of that shit, but I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? But congratulations. I'm so happy for y'all. And that's it.
Give my speech to the lovely bride to be. I've been there since the beginning, and it's only gonna get better from here. I'm so excited for you and your hubby. I've been there with my little Kingston, my little Sean Kingston. I'm so happy for y'all. Y'all got a little Tobias. I don't know what to say. I feel them now, but we about to turn up. This is the end of Siggy in the City. Our last hot girl summer. Period. Auntie love you both always. Bye.